I am creating this video to give you a basic knowledge about search engine optimization. We say SEO in short. So, SEO is the process of optimizing your online content so that a search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of a keyword you enter. If you type any keyword in Google search field, it gives you the result in multiple pages. So tell me now, on which page you will click first? I'm sure you will click on any result showing on page 1. Is that correct? Do you think that sharing your website URL with your friends or family members can give a huge traffic or sales? Answer is big no. I'm sure you want to know how to perform SEO. This is our job as a digital marketing expert. You can categorize SEO tactics into 3 points. The aim of these points is to make your website more friendly, as well as trustworthy to users and search engines. When search engine crawlers see how friendly your website is to them and users, it increases the chances that your site will rank well for different searches. So here are these points for you. Number 1, on-page SEO. This SEO focuses on the contents that's actually on the website pages and how to optimize it to boost the website's ranking for a specific keywords. Number 2, off-page SEO. This SEO focuses on links directed to the website from elsewhere on the internet. The number of backlinks a site has from reputed resources helps you build trust with search algorithms. Number 3, technical SEO. This SEO focuses on a website's backend architecture like site coding. Google cares just as much about technical setup as it does contents. So this position is important for ranking. Now, the most important factor of SEO which comes in the picture is content. Without it, search engines won't have enough information to index your pages correctly and help you rank. SEO content improves your visibility on search engines, which drives traffic to your website and encourages people to purchase your products or your services. Here are a few points you must keep in your mind regarding contents. Make a list of topics to post on the website. Make a list of long-tail keywords based on these points. Build pages for each topic. Set up a blog. Create a consistent blogging schedule. Create a link building plan. There are a few clients who ask why SEO is important. Let me explain this to them. Number 1, traffic from organic search. If you don't have an SEO strategy for your website, you might be missing out on traffic and revenue. Online stores can expect 35% of total traffic to come from search engine results pages and 33% of revenue from this organic traffic. Number 2, paid advertising costs are increasing and SEO is free traffic. If you are generating most of your sales through paid advertising channels like Facebook or Instagram, this can eat into your profit margins. Although generating organic traffic takes time, it should eventually become your best acquisition channel, which makes its cost sustainable. Putting work into increase organic traffic through SEO may cost you time and effort, but its compounding effect makes organic traffic the best value for money channels to produce new customers for you. SEO should never be an afterthought even though the return is not immediate. Number 3, ranking first in search engines can get you up to 30% more daily traffic. There is a joke in the SEO world that if you wanted to hide a dead body, you would put it on the page too. That's because being in first place gets the most clicks. If you happen to have a page that's performing well for organic traffic even without having done any optimizations for search, the likelihood is you can improve the page to bring more traffic. sometimes with the smallest tweaks. Do you already have your website and planning to promote it on search engines? Then don't hesitate to connect with our team today. We have an excellent digital marketing team who have delivered a number of projects and helped lots of businesses to grow for the clients situated around the globe. I have mentioned our contact details here for you where you can contact anytime. Thank you.